Hello folks, today at B&B Audioconcepts we have this C43 AMG in for an audio upgrade. So we've added an X-Fire amplifier, some match subwoofers, some focal speakers, and we've upgraded the tiny 5-inch screen to a 13-inch screen. And I'll give you a little show of that now. As I walk into the car, there's the new unit, new speakers, subwoofers are both in the kit down in the footwells, and job done. Huge screen, steering wheel controls working fine. We can skip a song.
Hey babe, what's that?
Sounds absolutely awesome.
Don't worry about it, because I know you're sorry.
Normal Apple Carplay features. We come out of here, we've got loads of apps that you would generally have, and then also car features, and you can always refer back to the original system. Just go back in, and it's there. We've got our maps. Absolutely spot on. If you're interested in something like this, give us a shout. This was a full upgrade: speakers, amplifier, subwoofer, and a new touchscreen with loads of apps. Get in touch with Waz, B&B Audioconcepts. There's our number up there for you. Thank you very much.